halo ring. Okay, it's broken up into two sections. The shank, the halo, and the shank has got diamonds on it. Using a custom cutter. Let's turn this off down here. This custom cutter cuts these grooves in, and we're using a bypass ring in a straight line. You can use the bypass ring and change it to the outside and then adjust it, or you can change it inline and adjust it. So, but right now we're going to stick with this straight line. Okay. So we know how the bypass, let's delete this. You can turn the crosshairs on and off. This is the custom cutter. It's not hooked into anything right now because we got it initialized right here. Okay, so this creates the ring shank, and this creates the gemstones that we're using. Right now the gemstone interlocks here, so we'd have to do some adjustments. Right, we can probably go down to 6 stones. Actually, we have to go to the other end. We'd have to adjust the beginning of the curve, and that would be the start of the curve. We would slowly, there we go, adjust it. Go right about there. Hang on. Okay. Now let's see if we can turn this down to 6. Curve, sub. Well, let's not worry about that right now. It can be adjusted because we're using the actual curve, not the sub curve. So technically we should use the sub curve. Yeah, we should use the sub curve. Red end. There we go. Okay, that gets it done there. Pretty close. Okay, so let's change this to a custom color. That's the claws. Let's change these to rubies so we know we're on the shanks there. Now, this is the yellow gold. Let's turn it to rose. There's the shank being made. So the next section is the top halo. So we have the halo of diamonds and the halo right there. That halo, we're bringing the gemstones together and the basket together, we're grouping it together, and we're moving it to the top of the ring. Okay? So let's see the bottom. We have the undergallery maker, which is right here, and we are creating the undergallery here based on the closed B-wrap here, which is a bead with a hole in it. Gets deformed to make that. So there's the bead that we're deforming to make this undergallery for the halo. We got a bottom curve here, and we're piping it, and then we're moving that to the top here. It's halo, undergallery, bottom, all brought together to make the halo ring. So technically we have an emerald cut. Let's go with a cushion cut. And there you go. Cushion cut follows through. You might want to adjust it slightly. So that you have less space in here. Yeah, right now we have it set up for the diamonds to be same size or distance, number of stones. Oh, that's the halo. That's the band. That's the halo. Number of stones, 24. Estimate the number of stones. Okay. We got the estimated number of stones, 24. We got the offset girdle curve. We can bring it in a little. There you go. We're getting there. There we go. Okay, let's force a number of stones. Estimated 22. Let's go 20. That's better. So you can either force it or estimate it. And here we estimate 22. So with an estimated, it moves it based on the number of stones. It estimates how many stones and adjusts the curve for the number of stones. You can force it and it'll work its way out correctly. But there's a halo ring with a fancier wire undergallery. You can adjust this. Right now the claws are too tight in here. You can adjust this. Let's go 21. And then we would move the claws out slightly so it would fit better. Thank you for watching.